Hello, and welcome to my weekly series of keto recipes. Just looking up and sharing different recipes that fit into the ketogenic diet. I've always been a big fan of pizza. I just love pizza. But even before doing the keto, I just didn't like the crust because it was just too much bread for me. It always got hard before I finished eating it. But anyway, I just love this stuff that goes on top of it, so I just love pizza. Cheese. I just love cheese. And one of my favorite recipes that's not keto is pizza casserole. But all the pizza casseroles, standard pizza casseroles, is with spiral pasta, or there's some with macaroni and cheese, and then that's just not keto friendly. I was looking up some keto friendly pizza casserole recipes. Settled on this one because it didn't have cauliflower in it. From what I can tell, cauliflower is a pretty good for you when it comes to the keto diet. It's just I don't have a lot of experience with cauliflower, and it kind of seems weird. But hey, maybe I just haven't gave it good enough chance yet. Let me go ahead and get to it. Let me show you what's all in it. And here it all is. It's basically stuff for pizza. Pizza casserole without my pizza casserole has more stuff in it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. It's a 4.5 ounce cup can of diced tomatoes, 5 links of Italian sausage, 4 teaspoons of olive oil, separated, half a teaspoon of oregano, salt, pepper to taste, 8 to 12 ounces of sliced mushrooms. I'm just going with 8 because it's cheaper that way. 1.5 cups of mozzarella, and 15 slices of pepperoni, and which will be cut in half. So, yeah, pretty simple stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, step 1 was kind of an odd step. It said to open the can of tomatoes and then drain and rinse them, dry with a paper towel. Yeah, I've never seen that step, and even with regular pizza. So I'll just let that dry. Okay, I got the 2 teaspoons of olive oil heated on this pan, and I'll remove the sausage from the casings and let that cook in the pan. I get the sausage done cooking. I drained and rinsed it, and now I'll transfer it over here to a casserole dish. It's a 9 by 13. 9 by 13. It said to do a 8.5 by 11, but I don't have one of those, so I'll go ahead and do this. Mental math. Pretty sure that's pretty close to the same dimensions to get down to area. But anyway, put that even layer of that. Now, we'll put another 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan. Got 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan to warm back up, so I can hear it sizzling. We'll add the mushrooms. We'll let those cook until they start making a brown liquid. While the mushrooms are cooking, we'll go ahead and transfer the tomatoes over here to the casserole dish. Okay, the mushrooms look pretty much done, so we'll go ahead and transfer them over here to the casserole dish. I've been kind of sloppy lately getting stuff. I don't know if I'm just being too picky, too rushed, or what. I just can't get things spread out evenly. Okay, now we'll go ahead and season with the oregano. We just gotta try to get it spread around. And then salt and pepper to taste, which always the phrasing always kind of annoys me because, of course, you're using salt and pepper to taste it. That's what salt and pepper does. So it's like, how much salt and pepper do I put? About that much. That might be a little much. Yeah, the recipe calls to put for 1.5 cups of the cheese to put on top, but the bag I bought is a 2-cup bag, and it'd be unfortunate if any went to waste. So we'll go ahead and put the whole 2 cups of cheese on top of it. Now I'm getting the cheese on top. I think it'd be better if I put the tomatoes on top of the cheese, but hey, I don't think it really matters. It all gets munched up anyway. Now that the cheese is all covered up, we'll go ahead and add the pepperonis. It says 15 slices of pepperoni, but I wonder if that's a typo. I wonder if she meant 15 ounces of sliced pepperoni cut in half, because that's not a lot of pepperoni. But we'll get that on. Oh, I guess that did make a pretty even coat. We'll go ahead, now that the pepperoni is topped on there, go ahead and put that in the oven, and we'll let that bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Alright, and there's the finished product. It's called a Deconstructed Pizza Casserole. I'm not sure why it's called Deconstructed, but there's it. I think I'll get it when I eat it. I'll have some Parmesan and stuff on top of it. But yeah, there's what it looks like. It's a very simple recipe, very easy to follow along, and keto lifestyle is a very easy style to live by. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up there. My battery's dying on my phone, on my camera. So have a nice day, and see you next Tuesday. I guess you'll see me next Tuesday.